So guys, welcome back to Sug Vlogs. This is the continuation of my previous video. I forgot to film an intro for this part, but this part contains the Kumbhalgarh diaries. So if you have not checked out the part 1 of my Udaipur and Kumbhalgarh diaries, the link will be in the description box. Be sure to check it out.
પેલી ઉપર જે પાલીમાં એટલું પાણી એટલું ઊંચું તો માણસ પડી ને પડે શું છે ને આખું.
So guys, currently we are leaving for the Kumbhalgarh fort and let's go. Okay, so now we are getting in the car.
મરિયમને ડેડી સાથે બેસીને પૂછો. પણ એ લોકોના રસ્તા પર એક ગાડી બી કેવી ચલાવે જેમ તેમ જ ચલાવે એ લોકો.
મેટલના રોડ હતા એ તો તે વખતે તો બન્યા જ નહોતા ને આવા મેટલ હતા મુન્ની બી ગયેલી જ છે ને
એ બેન લોકો ગયેલા ને તેના પર તો રસ્તો બની ગયેલો.
So guys, we are currently at the fort, the Kumbhalgarh fort. So I'm just going to quickly show you.
હા તો લેફ્ટ.
Absolutely crazy. So this is the fort and it's very long. It extends like till up to like there's something you can't see, but I'll show you if I can. Are going to get our tickets from this ticket booking station, so let's go. This is the light and sound show. We need to take a ticket for that as well. It's separate. Now we are going inside the fort. So actually the fort is closed, so like we'll see tomorrow or something like that. Right now we are going for the light and the sound show, so let's go.
बस बेबे एक एक करेंगे चल
So guys, we are sitting for the light show and it is completely packed. Like look at the amount of people like everywhere. So we are sitting in the front row because we did not get any seats. And let me show you how it is. It's not started yet, but let me show you where it's going to be. So okay, so this is the area where the light show will be. So we'll see how it is. I've never seen one before. So जय शिव शंकर करुणा उदार राजपूत वीरता का बुलंद प्रतीक मगर मेरा नाम शुरू से कुंभलगढ़ नहीं था। आज से लगभग 2000 साल पहले इस पहाड़ी पर दो व्यक्ति आए। Hey guys, so we just came back from the fort, which we are going to go tomorrow as well because we didn't see the actual fort. So now we are at the resort and there was actually a puppet show that we missed. It was like at 7. It was still going on, but we were a little late. So it's over now, but there's a campfire going on, so we're going to go and get some warmth.
let's go चलो ले ले let's go
वीडियो में डाल सकते हैं।
नहीं हो रहा
Guys, for the first serving I got some hakka noodles, some salad and some aloo chaat. Main dish I have naan, this is makki ki roti, this is jeera rice, this is paneer lababdar, this is dal tadka and this is jungli chicken. So guys, now for the dessert I have some fruit custard. Guys, so it's 8:30 the next morning and today we are going to the fort again, as I told you yesterday, because we did not see the actual fort. So first we're going to change, which I've actually changed. Going to have breakfast and then leave as early as possible. So this is the cereal, this is muesli.
Jelly, do love jelly.
Hey guys, so now we are leaving for the fort and this is the car, so let's go.
कितना गाना सब सफर इन 3 गाना
હા હરી વાડા પર 1 વાગ્યા સુધીમાં અહીંયા આવી જજો
चलो अभी चालू चल ले दिया Guys, currently we are at the top of the fort. Let me show you. Guys, look at the view. It is like at the top, like at the top of the fort. We had to climb so much. Like, do you see that road right there? Wait, this one, that road, that's where we came from. So yeah, a lot of climbing, but the view is worth it. Hey guys, so now it's time for the main thing that we came here to do, which is the Kumbhalgarh's jungle safari. Now there are two types of safaris that are offered here, which is the jungle safari and the village safari. They were told to us to go for the village safari, which it is more fun, but we decided to go for the jungle safari instead. So let's go. Only thing that I hate about this resort is the amount of stairs. Like, look at it. How much are we supposed to climb to just get into our car? Like, it's crazy. Being such amount of stairs is worth where you get a scenery which is a sight for sore eyes. Wondering, are we going to go in the jungle with our own car? Oh hell no, we got a gypsy for that. Let me show you.
अभी ये पानी का लेवल दिख रहा है ना आपको?
हाँ।
नीचे नीचे करीबन 11 फीट है ये।
अच्छा।
लेकिन पानी नहीं आप उसमें 1 रुपए का सिक्का भी डालेंगे या फिर मोती वगैरह डाल देंगे।
Guys, we just came back from a safari. It was so good. The road was so bumpy. We were literally hopping and jumping up and down in the car. It was amazing. Garba is mandatory. It doesn't matter if it's Rajasthan or America. The first time I got some cucumbers, carrots, onions, and this is idli salad, this is Manchurian, and this is hot and sour soup. This is chicken gravy, this is lacha parathas, onions, malai kofta, palak paneer, and aloo gobi. So this is some steamed rice and the kofta as well, and dal makhani. So guys, this is the dessert. Now I don't know what the actual name is, but in our homes we call it kanduri. And also for the sweet dish they have a sweet potato halwa. So guys, we are sitting by the bonfire which is almost out. We just had our dinner and you saw how amazing it was, and tomorrow we are leaving, so yeah, see you then. Guys, right now here we are having our breakfast. Let me show you quickly what we are having. This is aloo parotha, this is aloo vada, this is pineapple, this is onions, this is a muffin, and this is some seed. So guys, currently I'm in the car and we are headed to Haldi Ghati. I forgot to record a video in the resort itself telling you that we are leaving, but we have, and I've also recorded a video of the breakfast. I'm sure you watched it earlier. So yeah, now we are headed to Haldi Ghati. We are going to explore it a little bit and then head back to home. So guys, right now we are at Haldi Ghati and we're just going to take a ticket. So guys, this is the inside where we came to explore. So this is Haldi Ghati. This is Maharana Pratap. Look at this. So this is right there, this white horse. The name was Chetak. It was the horse of Maharana Pratap. And all the statues of soldiers fighting in a war, something like that. So guys, this is the national anthem, whereas this was the pledge that Maharana Pratap took when he wanted to free Mewar from its enemies. We are inside the museum right now and we just finished watching this film about the Haldi Ghati battle, and now we are going inside the theatre right here. So let's go. The film has started and this is it right here.
सोनगढ़ा की पुत्री एवं महाराणा उदय सिंह की महारानी जयवंत कंवर की कोख से विक्रम संवत 1597 में अर्थात 9 मई 1540 को बाल्यकाल चित्तौड़गढ़ में गुजरा। सन 1567 में अकबर ने जब चित्तौड़गढ़ पर आक्रमण किया तो मेवाड़ के प्रमुख सरदारों और सेना नायकों के आग्रह पर महाराणा उदय सिंह ने चित्तौड़गढ़ छोड़ दिया। अपने देश, कुल, गौरव और मातृभूमि की मर्यादा के लिए प्राण न्यौछावर
उनके पास पर्याप्त संपत्ति नहीं थी तो उनके वित्त मंत्री भामाशाह ने अपनी सारी सुख सुविधा को छोड़कर अपने राजा को स्वर्ण का धन 25 लाख रुपए व राजकोष में 20,000 अशर्फियां देश के लिए अर्पित की, जिससे महाराणा प्रताप ने 12 वर्षों तक अपनी सेना को संगठित किया, सैन्य करवाया था। इस किले के अंदर 9 मई 1540 ईस्वी में महाराणा प्रताप का जन्म हुआ था। इस किले की ऊंचाई समुद्र तल से 3,568 फीट की है। इस किले की दीवार महाराणा प्रताप का बचपन बीता था। इस किले की तलहटियों में महाराणा प्रताप ने अपने गुरु से शिक्षा प्राप्त की थी। ये अब्दुल रहीम खान खाना अजमेर का सूबेदार था। जब वो शेरपुर पहुंचा तब इसका पता कुंवर अमर सिंह को चला, जो महाराणा प्रताप के पुत्र थे। अमर सिंह ने शेरपुर छावनी पर अचानक आक्रमण कर दिया। पंच की रक्षा की थी। उस माँ का नाम पन्नाधाय था। पन्नाधाय जाति से गुर्जर थी। वो एक राजकुमार की धाई माँ थी। दूसरी तरफ हाथ में तलवार लिए खड़ा ये बनवीर सिंह एक दासी पुत्र है। ये कुंवर उदय सिंह की हत्या करके मेवाड़ की राजगद्दी प्राप्त करना चाहता था।
So guys, we are in the museum in Haldighati, and I showed you a bits and bits of Maharana Pratap's history, his childhood, what he did, the war he fought and stuff like that. So I hope you liked it. The vlog will still continue, but this may be the end. This is the only place that you're visiting right now. We don't have anything else to do after this. Food. We are in the car right now and we are about to have our lunch, and we came back to Udaipur. We entered the Udaipur city right now from Kumbhalgarh to have lunch, and we are headed for Remania, which is a well-known restaurant here. So let's go. Let's go, guys. So guys, there will be a lot of disturbance and noise in this video clips because when we were at the restaurant there was a birthday party going on, so we couldn't help it. So guys, we had some really amazing food here. We had Sikh kebabs, we had their special cheesy chicken, we had lal mas, we had their chicken curries, also with some amazing lacha paratha with pure ghee. So guys, we just came back from the restaurant. The food was so good, like ridiculously amazing. The taste was amazing. The first starter that we had, its name was chicken bhura or something, chicken bhara or something like that, and it was tandoori chicken with butter and cheese, and it was covered, and oh my god, that gravy was so good. Like, if you come to Udaipur, do visit this restaurant. The name is Kebab-e-Hayat. Like, oh my god, the place was so good. The food was so goddamn delicious. Like, guys, so I am back home, and it took me a while to film an outro because I was freshening up and stuff like that. I changed my clothes and now I'm done. So I hope you like this video, and I hope I did something good than my other boring videos, and if I did, please do give this video a like and do subscribe to my channel and comment and share this video as much as you can, and see you guys in my next one. Hasta la vista.